Samsung Galaxy Alpha keyboard typing. Enter text with the Samsung Galaxy Alpha SM-G850A. 1. Tap the Shift key to capitalize the first letter typed. 2. Touch and hold the Shift key to activate Caps Lock. 3. Tap the 123 SIM icon to access symbols. 4. Tap the 1/2 icon to access more symbols. 5. Tap the alphabet icon to return to the standard keyboard. 6. Touch and hold the mode icon to access settings and change the keyboard mode. 7. Tap the desired keyboard mode. 8. Tap the desired auto-suggest word to add it. 9. To copy cut text, touch then hold the desired text. 10. Touch, then drag the selection bars to highlight the desired text. 11. Tap copy to copy the selected text. 12. Tap cut to cut the selected text. 13. To paste copied cut text, touch and hold the text field. 14. Tap paste to paste copied cut text. For other Samsung Galaxy Alpha SM-G850A tips, repair, guides, please subscribe Droid Samsung channel. The link www.youtube.com Droid Samsung.